So we're doing a little project here for Angel. We're in the painting apartment. So we decided to bring him and make like a little thing for him.
All Nicholas blueprint. He gave me inches, height, everything. So yes, he is my boss. I gotta pull it off now. So
we have the stand for his food right here, and we have another one being carved out.
Everything's gonna come together soon.
Yep. Here's the base of it. So this is making an angel's cage or little thing for the paint house. Say hi. Say hi. Aww.
What happens here? Yeah, we finished. Make Nicholas' invention, Birdcage. Hi, poo. He just scared. What do you guys think?
It's super cute.
Nicholas drawing was cool?
Yeah.
Compliment by Home Depot. Hi, Angel. Yeah, he just scared. He's just gonna put his food here.
Yeah.
Actually gonna block everything. Oh, it's so cute.
Two little houses.
Yeah?
Two little houses.
You like it? Nicholas' project, and I was a worker. How you like it, Nick? Oh.
And if we're over here, it looks like
Give me muncher. Grab it. Muncher. I like muncher. More? More? Hey, no, you cannot drink more. Birdie. Angel. Nope. No muncher. You touch it. Touch it very muncher. Give me muncher.
Well, we're having a little design problem. Sarah just rectified the design problem. Let's see. What we gotta put, Sarah? We need to put this add-on on Angel Kid. Something wrong here. Okay, cool, right? Let's see again. Man, this kid them wanna add on everything on this.
we are working for an attachment for Angel's new cage.
Angel's got an upgrade.
Fresh. A fresh type. Daddy's building up the attachment. What design are you going for?
We're just cutting it extra right now.
We're gonna put on this toy on the corner right there. That bird.
Well, Sarah, this is your design now? Sarah did the final design. Angel finally have his toys. Nicholas, what, foundation? And Sarah did the finishing. They look cool. Oh my God, he's enjoying his toys. Really? Oh, he's just in little birdie heaven. Wow, we actually look like a board kid. Is it a kid or a stand now? What are we calling this now, eh? We call the kids build. Oh, look at him. He is one spoiled little birdie. Spoiled little birdie. Angel, like your new cage? You dance. Hi, hi. Who's a good birdie? Who's a good birdie? You like your cage? Who's a good birdie? Who's a good birdie? Who's a good birdie? Who's a good birdie? We are almost done here. This is the first coat of paint. Yep. How you looking, Sarah?
Good.
Very good.
And you spray paint a spider.
Yep. I'll take him back to his family. He'll be like, "Why are you white?" Be like, "This little girl Sarah spray paint me." Meh, meh.
And you spray paint a spider.
Yep. I'll take him back to his family. He'll be like, "Why are you white?" Be like, "This little girl Sarah spray paint me." Meh, meh. Hi, buddy. You like your cage?
It's a work in progress.
Work in progress. Tomorrow, you'll finish painted, okay? You like it? One spoil at the birdie.
You want to see me?
Ready for a new cage? Huh? Hi. You like your new cage?
There's food over there.
Hi. You like Birdcage?
He's looking at himself in the mirror, walking.
Oh, you think it was a good idea now?
Oh, he thinks a bird trying to steal his food.
Hi. And you have a little mirror. You like it? Hi, Bernie. Let's go, Buffalo, baby. Yep. Welcome to the Buffalo Mafia. Right?